Corsica is the fourth largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. The island has a rugged and mountainous landscape, with more than two-thirds of it covered by mountains. Corsica is known for its picturesque coastal cliffs and beautiful beaches. The island has a complex history influenced by various cultures, including the Romans and the Genoese. Corsica is the birthplace of Napoleon Bonaparte, born on August 15, 1769, in Ajaccio. The island has its own language, Corsican, which is closely related to Italian. Corsica has a rich tradition of polyphonic singing, often performed in groups during local festivals. The island is home to several natural parks, including the stunning Scandola Nature Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Corsica features a unique ecosystem, with many endemic species of plants and animals. The island's rugged terrain makes it a popular destination for hiking and outdoor activities. Corsica is known as the Island of Beauty, l'Île de Beauté, due to its diverse landscapes. The island's coastline stretches about 1,000 kilometers, 620 miles. Corsica was part of the Republic of Genoa for over 4 centuries before becoming French in 1768. The island is famous for its delicious cuisine, featuring local ingredients such as chestnuts, cheeses, and cured meats. A traditional Corsican dish is wild boar stew, which showcases the island's rich game. Corsica has a Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The famous GR20 hiking trail runs from the north to the south of the island, spanning approximately 180 kilometers, 112 miles. Corsica's capital, Ajaccio, has a strong connection to the sea and is known for its beautiful harbor. The island is dotted with ancient ruins and prehistoric sites, including burial chambers called nymphias. Corsican wine, particularly the Sciacarello grape variety, is gaining recognition for its unique flavors. The island has a strong tradition of craftsmanship, particularly in woodwork and pottery. Corsica's traditional music often features instruments like the castrina and pizzica. The island is home to several beautiful citadels, including those in Bonifacio and Calvi. Calvi is famously known for its citadel and stunning beaches, and it's often called the birthplace of Christopher Columbus. The natural landscape of Corsica is shaped by its geological history, with granite mountains rising sharply from the sea. Corsica is surrounded by rich marine life, making it a great spot for scuba diving and snorkeling. The island has an impressive array of endemic fauna, including the Corsican mouflon, a wild sheep species. Corsican culture is strong in community and family ties, often celebrated through local festivals. The island hosts the annual Skilachan Festival, where local traditions and music are celebrated. Corsica is known for its stunning sunsets, particularly viewed from the cliffs of the western coast. The island has several luxury resorts, attracting visitors looking for rest and relaxation. Corsican villages often feature pastel-colored buildings and narrow, winding streets. The island's isolation has helped preserve its unique cultural and natural heritage. Corsica has a variety of unique architectural styles influenced by its diverse history. The beaches of Porto Vecchio are renowned for their soft, white sands and crystal-clear waters. Corsica's traditional shepherding and animal husbandry practices have shaped its landscape. The island is a popular destination for both summer and winter sports, including skiing in the mountains. Corsica was the first place in Europe to establish the Statutes of the Corsican Nation in 1755, an early attempt at self-governance. The island has a vibrant art scene, with many local artists drawing inspiration from its landscapes. Corsica's scenic beauty has been featured in numerous films and documentaries. The island's agricultural products include honey, olives, and a variety of cheeses. Corsican cork oak trees contribute to the island's unique biodiversity. The local markets, especially in towns like Bastia, offer fresh produce and artisanal goods. The island is famous for its diverse bird populations, including the Corsican griffon vulture. The Sentier de Douaniers is a coastal walking trail offering breathtaking views of the sea and cliffs. The island's traditional fishing methods are still practiced in some coastal communities. The Corsican flag features a Moor's head, symbolizing the island's history and resistance. Corsica has been a source of inspiration for many artists, including writers like Albert Camus.